How to order Debonairs pizza online. So to order Debonairs pizza online, you need to go to their website or use their app and log in or use your account. But here's a detailed breakdown. So first thing you want to do is go to your Debonairs app and then the website itself and log into your account or sign up if you don't have one. Then find the store. So the system will attempt to locate nearby stores and you can also manually select a store. So if you have a store nearby, it will pop up on your app. So after that, you want to explore the menu items and select your desired pizza, size or drinks. You can also customize your order by adding or removing toppings. And lastly, and next step of the ordering is to add your selected items to your basket and then check it out. So once you're happy with your selection, you can proceed to the checkout page and apply vouchers and discount as well if you have some. And if you can apply them, it will be good because all of the discounts are really useful for less payment. And lastly is to complete your order. So once you're choosing your payment method, whether it's cash or online or credit, and confirm your order, that's how you can basically order Debonairs Pizza online.